So this is just a safety message really for overhead laser owners. In my case, that includes the xTool F2 Ultra UV and the xTool F1 Ultra. So you see these strings hanging down, and you know it leads to a lens cover, and you think that's just for pulling it down. But in my case, it's to remind me that the lens cover is there so I can stop burning holes in them. Like that. So, at the expense of making myself look a little dumb, I'm going to help some of you become safer with your laser. So remember that the laser cover is on, and this is not the first time this has happened. It's happened more than once. And we're going to take a closer look at the F1 Ultra, and I'll show you what I've done to that one. All right, here we go. F1 Ultra. Pull it down. We got the hole all the way through on that one. And I'm in the shop all the time, and I am all about safety when I remember to be safe. So I just took drilled a little hole in the edge and put some nylon cord through it. I recommend you do something similar so you can be safe and not start a fire. And another tip is sometimes these will get really loose and they'll just fall off of the lens on their own. But if you take them and you set them in the sun for a little bit and just hold them a little tense, bend them a little bit, let them cool off, then they'll continue to stay on. So they stay on by themselves now. They used to just fall all the time. So, all right, folks, I just want to help everybody be safe while I'm reminding myself to be safe. So y'all take care, check back for new videos, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.